Hello children, I am a jeep. I am a strong vehicle that can drive on rough roads.
Hi friends, I am 3. I am the number that comes after 2.
Hello everyone, meet means
Hi.
when we see someone and greet them, we meet.
Hello children, I am Neem. I am a tree with many medicinal benefits.
Hi friends. Peel means when you remove the skin of a fruit, you peel it.
Hello, I am a bee. I make honey and love flowers.
Hi everyone. I am a seed. I grow into a new plant. Hello children. Need. When you want something very much, you need it.
Hello friends, I am a tree. I give shade, fruits and fresh air.
Hi children. Feed means when you give food to someone, you feed them.
Hello, I am a weed. I am a wild plant that grows in gardens and fields.
Hi everyone, we are feet. We help you stand, walk and run.
Welcome back children. Today we are going to learn the E family words. When we put E in the middle of a word, it makes a long E sound.
Let's read the words. Jeep, 3, meat, neem, peel, bee, need, seed, tree, feed, weed, feet.
Now let's understand their meanings. Jeep is a strong vehicle. 3 is a number. Neat means to see someone. Neem is a useful tree. Peel means to remove the skin. Bee makes honey. Need means to want something. Seed grows into a plant.
Tree gives us shade and air. Feed means to give food. Weed is a wild plant.
Feet help us walk. Very good children. Keep practicing the E sound words.
Hello children. I am number 81. 8 and 1 together make number 81. Hello children. I am number 82. 8 and 2 together make number 82.
Welcome back children. Today we will learn about number 81 and 82. This is number 81 and 82. 8 and 1 together make number 81. The spelling of number 81 is E-I-G-H-T-Y-O-N-E. 81. 8 and 2 together make number 82. The spelling of number 82 is E-I-G-H-T-Y-T-W-O. 82. Now children, you count them one by one slowly and properly. Yes, there are total 81 hats and 82 diamonds. Very good children.
Hello children, I am a root. I grow under the ground and hold the plant firmly.
Hi friends, I am wool. I come from sheep and keep us warm.
Hello everyone, I am a book. You read me to learn new things.
Hello children, I am the moon. I shine brightly in the night sky.
Hi friends, I am wood. I come from trees and we make furniture from me.
Hello, I am a tool. I help people fix and build things.
Hello children, I am cook. When you prepare food, you cook.
Hi everyone. I am good. Good means nice or well done. Hello friends. I am cool. Cool means a little cold or very nice.
Hi children, zoo means a place where many animals live. Hello, I am a pool. People swim and play in me.
Hi everyone. I am a foot. I help you stand, walk and run.
Welcome back children. Today we are going to learn the OO family words. The letters OO together make a special sound. Let's read the words. Root, wool, book, moon, wood, tool, cook, good, cool, zoo, pool, foot. Now let's understand their meanings. Root grows under the ground. Wool comes from sheep. Book helps us learn. Moon shines at night. Wood comes from trees. Tool helps us work. Cook means to prepare food. Good means nice. Cool means slightly cold. Zoo is a place for animals. Pool is for swimming. Foot helps us walk. Very good, children. Keep practicing the E sound words.
Hello, children. I am number 26. 2 and 6 together make number 26.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about number 26. This is number 26. 2 and 6 together make number 26. The spelling of number 26 is T-W-E-N-T-Y-S-I-X. 26 now. It comes after 25 and before 27. Now, children, you count them one by one, slowly and properly. Yes, there are total 26 balls. Very good, children. See you all in the next session. Keep practicing. Bye-bye.
Hello, children. I am a turtle. I move slowly and carry my hard shell on my back.
Hi, friends. I am a cat. I love to drink milk and say meow.
Hello, everyone. I am a dog. I am a loyal pet and I guard your house.
Hello, children. I am a squirrel. I love to climb trees and eat nuts.
Hi, friends. I am a parakeet. I'm a small, colorful bird that can chirp sweetly.
Hello, I'm a rabbit. I have long ears and love to eat carrots. Hello, children. I am a fish. I live in water and swim with my fins. Hi, everyone. I'm a parrot. I'm a green bird and I can mimic words.
Welcome back, children. Today we are going to learn about pet animals. Pets are animals that we keep at home and take care of with love. Let's read the names together. Turtle, cat, dog, squirrel, parakeet, rabbit, fish, parrot. Let us learn about them one by one. The turtle has a hard shell and moves slowly. The cat says meow and loves milk. The dog is loyal and friendly. The squirrel climbs trees and eats nuts. The parakeet is a small, colorful bird. The rabbit has long ears and loves carrots. The fish lives and swims in water. The parrot can talk and mimic sounds. Very good, children. We must love, feed, and take care of our pet animals. See you in the next.
Hello, children. I am a dragonfly. I have long wings and fly very fast. Hi, friends. I am a cockroach. I crawl on the ground and hide in dark places.
Hello, everyone. I am a housefly. I fly around homes and sit on food.
Hello, children.
I am an ant.
I'm small and very hardworking.
Hi, friends. I am a beetle. I have a hard outer shell on my body.
Hello. I am a butterfly. I have colorful wings and love flowers.
Hi, children. I am a grasshopper. I can jump very high.
Hello. I am a bee. I make honey and love flowers.
Hi, I am a ladybird. I am red with black spots.
Hello, friends. I am a wasp. I can sting when I feel danger.
Welcome back, children. Today we will learn about insects. Insects are small living creatures. Most insects have 6 legs and many have wings. Let us read their names together. Dragonfly, cockroach, housefly, ant, beetle, butterfly, grasshopper, bee, ladybird, wasp. Some insects fly, some crawl, and some jump. Insects are found everywhere around us. Very good, children. We should observe insects carefully but never harm them.